Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system, has been gaining some attention after NASA revealed that it isn't actually blue like many people think, and many other shocking discoveries about the planet. Did you know that Neptune has rings? Let's dive in and explore the depths of one of our least explored planets. There has recently been a stir in the scientific community when the James Webb Space Telescope, located nearly 1 million miles away, was able to take pictures that showed 7 moons of Neptune and a detailed look at its rings. This was the first real time we've managed to capture pictures of the blue planet, and it left the internet in awe. One of the most shocking revelations was that these pictures weren't blue like Neptune is usually pictured, which left some people in awe. But why is Neptune usually blue anyway? It seems to be a large, peaceful blue marble in the sky, so why wasn't the actual photo blue? The answer is that Neptune's atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium. However, it also contains methane gas, which absorbs red wavelengths of light and reflects blue light outward. This is what gives Neptune its distinctive blue hue. Essentially, the pictures we have seen of Neptune are dependent on this gas, despite the fact that it only forms a very small sliver of Neptune's atmosphere, less than 1% to be exact. The other 2 gases that make up the atmosphere make up the other 99% of the atmosphere, with hydrogen making up around 80% of the atmosphere and helium making up the other 19%. So why do these new James Webb Space Telescope pictures reveal that Neptune isn't actually blue? And why does it seem to be almost glowing a white color? It turns out that the telescope was detecting near-infrared light instead of visible light. Near-infrared light is outside the spectrum of visible light, and it gives a different view of Neptune. The near-infrared light reveals the thin rings that surround Neptune, which has also been a surprise to many. The rings are more reflective in near-infrared light, which is why they show up so clearly in the photos taken by the telescope. I have been waiting so long for these images of Neptune, Heidi Hamill, an interdisciplinary scientist at NASA, says. I'm so happy that it has worked. It's also fascinating that scientists are now able to study the rings and the structure of that system. It hasn't been seen at this level of detail since the Voyager mission in 1989, which was when scientists first discovered the rings and moons that revolve around the planet. Another fascinating thing that NASA has recently revealed about Neptune is the storms. The frigid planet has been known to birth many large and violent storms, but these storms recently did something that caught scientists off guard. When NASA's Hubble Space Telescope observed the storm, it saw that the dark spot was moving south across the planet. However, when they observed it again in 2020, the storm shifted in direction, heading back north and away from the area of the planet where storms usually die. Another incredibly exciting discovery was that the storm appeared to have spawned a tiny twin. The faint dark spot moved away from its larger peer, gradually fading away until it eventually was no longer visible, something that left many scientists pondering without a clear explanation as to the actions of this storm. Although there have been many theories about it, the true answer remains to be discovered. It is becoming increasingly clear that Neptune is an incredibly mysterious planet and the least explored planet in the solar system without a question. Mars is the subject of many expeditions and plans, and even Jupiter and Uranus have been attracting the attention of scientists as of late. Despite this, Neptune is only now gaining attention. As scientists use the new James Webb Telescope to explore more of the planet, we are sure to make even more exciting discoveries about this distant giant. But what makes these storms so special? We have storms on Earth, don't we? Well, not storms this big. While they may appear small when compared to the surface size of Neptune as a whole, these storms are actually huge. The larger of the 2 storms measures about 4,600 miles across, and the smaller one stretches for about 3,900 miles. To put that in perspective, The larger storm could engulf the entire Atlantic Ocean on Earth. We are excited about these observations because this smaller dark fragment is potentially part of the dark spot's disruption process. A scientist who has been studying the storm phenomenon, Michael H. Wong of the University of California at Berkeley, said in a statement, "This is a process that's never been observed. We have seen some other dark spots fading away and they're gone, but we've never seen anything disrupt, even though it's predicted in computer simulations." As scientists continue to observe the storms on Neptune, more information may be revealed that could provide insight into how these giant storms form and dissipate. Another mystery that hasn't been revealed yet is why the storm lost the light-colored ring that it had when first observed by Hubble in 2018. For now, we'll have to wait for further observations and perhaps even missions to the planet. And with the recently viral Planet Parade photo, which is the first time we've seen all our solar system's planets in one frame, perhaps we'll be able to uncover even more secrets of Neptune. This picture was recently captured by NASA and quickly went viral, showing all 7 planets and the bright stars Altair, Fomalhaut, and Aldebaran. Neptune itself can be seen as the faintest of points in the picture, but together they showcase the beauty of our solar system and bring us one step closer to understanding what lies beyond. Internet users were quick to point out the haunting beauty of the picture, and even though NASA continues to reveal more sharply changing information about Neptune, this picture will remain a timeless testament to the beauty of our solar system. So next time you take a look at the picture of Neptune, the not-so-blue giant that lies beyond, remember the amazing information we have been able to uncover about this distant planet and the mysteries that still remain. From the awe-inspiring rings to the mystery of Neptune's storms to the stunning images of the Planet Parade and even to the surprising change in color. Neptune is sure to continue captivating us for many years to come. Neptune may not be blue like many of us have been taught to believe, but that doesn't make it any less captivating. Through the help of the James Webb Telescope and Hubble Space Telescope, scientists have uncovered stunning and shocking new information about the planet. Most importantly, though, what is your favorite thing about Neptune? Go ahead and let us know in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next video.